This 2026 Grand Design Imagine 2300 MK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 26 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps 4, microwave, air conditioning, LP detector, smoke detector, slide out, leveling jacks, carbon monoxide detector, awning, TV, oven, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Grand Design Imagine 2300 MK is 6,218 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.